Inihayag ng abogado ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa na posibleng estratehiya ng Department of Justice o DOJ ang hindi pagkumpirma kung mayroon ng ICC warrant upang anya epektibong matunton at maaresto ang kanyang kliyente. Si Margaret Gonzalez magbabalita.
Humingi ng paglilinaw sa Department of Justice o DOJ sa Attorney Israelito Torion, ang legal counsel ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, kaugnay ng umano'y ICC warrant laban sa kanyang kliyente. Ang Justice Department tumanggi na magbigay ng komento sa hiling ni Torion dahil meron na anitong nakapending na petisyon sa Supreme Court. Ang tugon ng DOJ na permado ni Chief State Counsel Dennis Irvin Chan, ipinost si Torion sa kanyang official na Facebook account. Sabi pa ng DOJ sa sulat, binasura na ng Korte Suprema ang apela nito na atasan ang ilang opisyal ng gobyerno na magpalabas ng kopya ng arrest warrant ng ICC na una nang isinuwalat ni Ombudsman Boy Rimulya at meron na rin daw ipinadalang komento ang OSG hinggil dito. Si Torion, sinabing gusto lang nilang matiyak na meron na ngang ICC warrant pero ay naman daw itong kumpirmahin ng DOJ, bagay na baka strategy ng ahensya para epektibong matuntun at maaresto sa De La Rosa.
Multiple sources have told us that they received a warrant of arrest and that it is already before the NCB in the Philippines. That is why we try to have it confirmed with the DOJ, but that is the reply of the DOJ. And that probably because they would probably want to ensure that they would be able to spot the location of Senator Bato de la Rosa, and then if they can spot his location, arrest him, and then it would be only at that time that they will reveal that there is already a warrant of arrest. Maybe that is a tactical strategy on their part, that they can assure the arrest of the good senator.
Sakaling mangyari ang pag-aresto, sinabi ni Torion na posibleng maghain ng kampo ng senador ng petisyon para sa habeas corpus sa Korte Suprema.
I will file a manifestation before the Supreme Court that there is such warrant, and we would pray that it will be after the past. Or he can probably file a petition for habeas corpus if he is still in the country. Because if he is already outside the country, I think you know that it's going to be a very tricky issue already.
Tiniyak naman ni Torion na patuloy pa rin ginagampanan ni Senator De La Rosa ang kanyang tungkulin sa Senado sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga staff. Umaasa rin siyang mauunawaan ng publiko ang hindi muna pagpapakita ng senador dahil sa pangamba na maulit ang umano'y biglang pag-aresto na naranasan noon ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Administratively, he's still performing his tasks, through his staff. And yun nga lang, wala lang siya. And I do hope the Filipino public would understand this predicament. And Senator Bato is clearly apprehensive that such experience would be replicated insofar as he is concerned. And that is a legitimate concern because we are talking here of life and liberty.
Nilinaw naman ni Torion na wala siyang direktang komunikasyon sa kanyang kliyente at nakakausap lang niya si Bato sa pamamagitan ng kanyang pamilya. Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kumahal, Margaret Gonzalez, SMNI News.